Assalamualaikum students. Welcome to the online class of Mathematics grade 4. Today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter 11, and the topic is tables and line graphs. So this is the lesson 22. Some students have done this concept before, or those who don't, we will start this chapter with some new techniques, some new information, some new concepts. So just take out your book forward and open the page 234. Okay. Hopefully you all have opened the book. Now listen to me, come to this side. What is another way to record the number of books sold each month? Now in this page, they have recorded the information in the bar graph. This is the bar graph. Can you tell me what is another way to record the number of books and sold each month? What is another way? The tables. In tables you can record the information on the tables. Now listen to me, come to the next page, that is 235. Here. Okay. Now look at over here, read this statement. Women was shown a bar graph that shows the number of books sold each month from January to April. Now look at over here. He recorded the information in a table. He recorded the information in the table. On the left side, he recorded the month, January, February, March, and April. And on the right side, he recorded the number of books sold. How many books he sold in January? 92,000. In February, 80,000. In March, 55,000. And in April, it's 53,000. Now, question over here, do you prefer the bar graph or the table? Why? It's up to you. You can tell me, or you can tell the answer over here. You can write the answer over here. What is your preference? Is it easy to collect the information from the table, or is it easy to collect the information from the bar graph? It's up to you. But you have to tell the reason. Why did you prefer? Okay. Now come to this side. Here a table allows us to read off the information easily. A table can look like this too. Here they have given us a table like this, or table can be like this. Table can be in vertical form or it can be in a horizontal form. Now listen to me. Here above they have taken the month, or here below they have taken the number of books sold. The same information gathered over here. Okay, now come to the next page. Here, the question number 2. Now listen to me carefully. The cards show the number of bottles and cans picked up by the children. They have taken 6 children: Anne, Junha, Weming, Milling, Ahmad, and Zaini. Now listen to me, class. This is new thing for you. Listen to me carefully. When you have taken some information and numbers, now listen to me. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, you will not mention 5 like this. No, this is wrong. After 4, you will do like this. It means this, when you will cross all these lines, it becomes 5. So whole of this is known as is equal to 5. Is it clear? If it's like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many total numbers are there? 10. It's equal to 10. Is it clear? Okay, now just look at the information. And can you tell me how many bottles Anne has? Counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many cans? 3. Now look at over here. Some information they have given us and some information you have to put it over here. Okay, so same, Anne has 6 bottles and 3 cans. Now Junho, how many bottles Junho have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bottles and cans. 1, 2. So what we will write it over here? 2. Is it clear? So come to the women. Bottles, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And cans, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 bottles and 5 cans. Come to the milling. Bottles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bottles they have written there. You have to just count the cans. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Is it clear? Come to the Ahmad. How many bottles over here? 1, 2, 3. You will write it over here. 3 and cans 1. Again Zinhi, bottles. How many bottles over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will write it over here 7. And how many cans? Look at over here. No need to count each line. You know this equal to 5, this equal to 5. So how many total? That is 10. Is it clear? Okay. By doing this, come to the next page, page 237. It's over here. Now this is a bar graph. Now look at over here. Listen to me carefully. On this side, they have taken the marks obtained, and on this side, they have taken the names of the students. This is the mathematics test result for 4 people. Is it clear? Farhan, Siti, Bala, Priya. Okay, now listen to me carefully. First of all, you have to read the bar graph carefully. Now listen to here. Listen here. Now listen to me and look at this side. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. It means that each block like this is equal to 10 numbers. Like 0 difference between of each number is 10. 0 to 10, 10 to 20. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it clear? They have mentioned you a small lines over here. From these small lines you can read each number. Okay, now can you tell me how many marks Farhan, first of all complete this table. How many marks Farhan obtained in mathematics result? Look at over here. Now this is 80, 82, 84, 86, 88 and 90. I just check the information over here and read the lines over here. It's 5 lines. This means the difference between each 5, one line is 2. So 80, 82, 84, 86, 88 and 90. So how many marks Farhan got? It's on the 84 line. So what we will write it over here? 84. Now can you tell me how many marks this city obtained? It's 62, 64. So over here, sorry, here. So what we will write it over here? 64. Bala, simply it's 52, 54, 56. Priya, it's very easy, simply 90. Okay. Now listen to me. Come to the questions over here. Who scored the highest marks? You can look at this the table over here, and from the table you can ask, tell me the person who scored the highest marks. Priya scored, obviously Priya scored the highest marks. Who scored the lowest marks? Bala scored the lowest marks. Why? Because he scored just 56 marks. Who scored more marks, Siti or Farhan? Siti got 64 marks and Farhan got 84 marks. Then who scored the most marks? Farhan. And how many more marks? It means you have to take out the difference, and how you can take the difference? By doing the subtraction. It means 84 minus 64 is equal to 20. Okay. Now come to the next page, page 238. It's over here. It's just an activity. You can do it in your home with your partners, with your mother or your siblings. Okay. Now come to the next page, page 239. It's over here. This is the practice over here. The bar graph shows the colors of the cars in school park. Okay, now listen to me. In this side, they have taken the number of cars. Here, they have taken the colors of the cars. White, blue, yellow, grey and red. By looking in this bar graph, you have to complete the table over here. Now, first of all, you will write the colors of the car in here. Colors, white, blue, yellow, grey, red. After writing the colors over here, just look at the bar graph and write the information in the next column. Okay, now listen to me. Listen to me carefully. Again, look at this side. 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. It means here, you can look at over here. They have mentioned a small line between these two numbers. 0, 4. A small line is between 0 and 4. Small lines between 4 and 8. Like this. So it means that between each line there is a difference of number 2. Is it clear? 0, 2, first of all write each number on the each line. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Is it clear? First of all write, complete these lines. After doing this, you can able to find the exact number of cars. So look at over here, white. How many white cars over here? It's 12, 14 and 16. So it's on the number 14. So what you will write it over here, 14. Blue cars, just count it. It's simply 8. Yellow, it's on the 0, 2. Gray, it's 16 and 18. Red is 4. Is it clear? So how many cars were there in car park in all? What you have to do, all. It means you have to add all the cars. You just have to add all these cars over here. Is it clear? Next question. The table shows the amount of money 4 people had before a trip and after a trip. This is very easy. Try to do this question by yourself. You just have to subtract in one part. Other parts they have done it for you. Now listen to me. Learn this. Understand this topic. And this is your homework from book 4A, pages 101 to 103. You have to do this. Try to do this by yourself. If you find any problem, any queries, then please ask me in personal window or in a group. Remember, mean your prayers. We will see you in the next lesson. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.